Hello everyone and welcome back to Ngwapela. I know that it has been a hot minute since I've been on here and I have been longing to make a video, but because of time constraints I haven't been able to, but I am happy to be back. I hope that you are all doing well and thank you very much for watching this video. Today I'm singing a song called Nwayo. It's in my language. If you haven't been here before, I usually sing in my language, which is Igbo from West Africa and Nigeria. And so today's song I heard from my parents at a very young age. I believe it was from my village in Nigeria. I am Igbo from the Ngwa sub-tribe of Igbo land. And so actually it's a medley of songs, and I love these songs because they just bring joy to my heart, and also they are very calming because, you know, we live in turbulent times right now. So I hope that it brings some comfort to you. I will have the translation of the songs below so that you can see what it is that I'm singing about. If you know the song, please join me. You will notice that I put a little tweak to it because I like to do that. So I hope you really enjoy the song. I hope that it won't be a long time before I put out the next video, but until then, I wish you God's blessings, and that I hope that this song brings some calm and some joy to your heart. You stay safe, stay healthy. Please wear your masks, everyone, and thank you for watching. Bye. Nwayo, Jesus nagafema. Nwayo, Aliluyah. Aliluyah, Nwayo nadasike. Nwayo, kiweza. Nwayo, Jesus nagafema. Nwayo, Aliluyah. Bua Aliluya, Bua Aliluya, na Jisos Kraist agbaputawo'm, mewo'm tena mewo'm. Aliluyah, amen. Bua Aliluya, Bua Aliluya, na Jisos Kraist agbaputawo'm, mewo'm tena mewo'm. Aliluyah, amen. Nwayo, Jesus nagafema. Nwayo, Aliluyah. Nwayo, kiweza. Bua Aliluya, Bua Aliluya, na Jesus Kraist agbaputawo'm, mewo'm tena